On Monday evening, we reported that 8 Husker athletes and staff and student athletes tested positive for COVID-19, including members of the football team. With the start of college football just over 2 months away, I've been asking health experts and administrators if it's time to start looking at whether fans should be in the stands for opening kickoff.
And here come the Huskers.
Sport has the power to unite. In a time when we're all looking for that escape, the Huskers can be that saving grace in Nebraska. But with Nebraska athletics announcing positive cases of COVID-19 on the football team, will fans be allowed inside Memorial Stadium come September?
We'll see what's happening in a month and a half from now, but from what I see currently, I would say no.
Dr. Mark Rupp is the chief of infectious diseases at Nebraska Medicine.
It's not going to be a good idea to pack a stadium full of people who are yelling and cheering and potentially spreading virus. I think that's going to be potentially very foolhardy.
Earlier this month, Nebraska Governor Pete Ricketts outlined his Phase 4 plan. As part of it, outdoor stadiums such as Memorial Stadium can be at 100% capacity.
We have a lot of local decisions to make about what the health of our community is, our state, and how we can manage fans in a large venue like Memorial Stadium.
It is impossible to social distance when you're in a packed stadium with 100,000 people.
Dr. David Quimby with CHI Health says we need to look at disease activity in the area at the time and make a judgment based on health department recommendations.
If there's a large amount of disease activity, it's entirely probable that there might not be 90,000 people in the stands.
No fans means lost revenue. NU Athletic Director Bill Moose previously said the school could lose up to $27 million. However, one NU researcher says the effects without fans won't affect Lincoln's whole economy.
Husker sports are the #1 tourism attraction in Lincoln. It's a very important part of the tourism economy, but it's not a large share of the overall economy.
It's still not even known if 90,000 fans will be allowed inside Memorial come game day. But in the meantime, administrators are looking at the balance between the risks and the rewards.
We get that there's going to be a lot of people want to come, but we're going to keep the health and security of our fans and of our communities certainly at the top of the list.
And the date of the Phase 4 implementation in Nebraska hasn't been determined yet. The Huskers football team starts training camp on August 7th.